We're reviewing today a Lifepo4 battery with the product manual, the bolts hardware kit, and the 100 milliamp waterproof sealed battery that can be placed anywhere imaginable. As you see, it comes nicely packaged and handles on each of the sides. There's a 12.8 Lifepo battery. Chargers are required to recharge batteries. It is a 100 milliamp battery with circuit protection. It is blue. It weighs about 20 some odd pounds. Handles snap in. And we're setting up the battery with its bolts. They simply go in, and they are color-coded red and black. As you can see on the top, the rings around the bolts. Mass energy, 12 volts for your lighting needs, tiller, motor, and more. In our demonstrations, we're setting up an inverter, 12 volt to 110 volt, by placing in the terminals. With a reading of 13.20 volts. Turn the unit on, ready to use anything of 110 volts. Charging of a scooter by simply plugging in and charging. If you're looking to charge scooters, run a fishing pond, anything that is 12 volts or inverter up to 110 volts, this 12.8 volt 100 milliamp battery may be something you are after. With an optional charger for Lifepo, simply place on each of the terminals and allow to charge. Add your battery to your existing other batteries, outdoor use, solar controller, and more. Place the battery any way possible, sideways, upright, used around the house, waterproof, and more. So if you're looking for a battery to run your 12 volt systems, 110 volt inverters, and more, this Lifepo4 battery may be something that you... The Merce Energy 4000 has a BTS protection. It's a Lifepo4 battery. It's hooked up to a 12 volt system. Located on the ceiling are the LED lights, and we have a 12 volt timer that when the lights turn on, they ran off of the 12 volt battery down over there. So what we're going to do is hook it up to the other timer and show you in the nighttime the patio lights that is hooked up to that timer as well. We have a solar controller and panels, a solar system running and charging the 100 amp hour battery. 15,000 cycle battery by Miss Energy. I hope you enjoy the product. If this is something that you're looking for, in a lithium phosphate deep cycle battery for your marine, solar, off-grid battery systems. Thank you for viewing.